Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're supposed to be leaving for Nashville in 5-ish hours and I have no slime made still and we're gonna crank it out. Yeah! This is the truck we're taking. Then we have my suitcase and we have slimes, a bunch of stuff for my booth. How adorable is that Starbucks like Frappuccino thing? I put my logo on it. I'm gonna put my coffee slime around it. And we got the merch, of course, rainbow tie-dye. Oh.
Which website did Chewbacca get arrested for creating?
What?
WikiLeaks.
Also, I want to show you guys my hair. Jamie did it. It's like braided. Hey. So it is no, don't focus on my face. Okay, you can't even tell. 7:40 in the morning. We were planning on leaving around 8 last night. 8. Yes, 8.
Oh, we were gonna go. Okay,
Probably.
so we went from like 8 to like 3 a.m.
3:34.
4, yeah.
And now it's almost 8 a.m. But we're prepared and we didn't forget anything that we know of.
This is still early for us.
Yeah. So we're gonna go to Buc-ee's. We're gonna get yeah. All right, so we just got to the. I'm being blinded. Anyways, we just got to the hotel room after walking 40 miles because this place is absolutely ginormous and like really nice. So this is a little room tour. Very, very fancy. Got the marble right here, Reginald. And then we have this balcony that literally peeks out, oh god, to right there. To where everything is. And people literally walk right there. It's kind of weird, so we gotta make sure these blinds are closed 100%. But yeah, we don't need no peepers. Yeah, we don't need no peepers. So, do you guys remember how earlier I showed you these doors and it goes to that little balcony thing? But I was laying here already asleep, right? And Jamie was here, you know, just chilling with slime. Jamie, you just want to tell the story?
Okay, so this guy, he's like, all of a sudden I hear on the little frame on the balcony, you hear jing, 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 jing. And then like, I'm like, okay, maybe it's just some weirdos out there. And then I hear boom, and you like jump the fence and then the door starts jiggling. I'm like, no, this isn't happening. Like I'm hallucinating, something's happening right now. Then all of a sudden I just see a head pushing the curtains open.
Like in between these curtains.
And I go, yo, WTF, man? And he's like, yo, my bad. And he just walks out.
I said to her, I was like, what just happened? I was like, was that a dream? I didn't even think it was real.
So I hear
this door.
Like he's jiggling that thing. And then I hear that boop on there. And then I just hear, and then like his head is like this. Oh, my bad.
Hopefully it doesn't happen again. I will update you guys and let you know if it does happen again, and hopefully try to vlog it if it does happen again. So I'm gonna sleep with my camera next to my bed. So good night. Say good night, Jamie.
Nighty night.
Nighty night. Sleep tight. No bed bugs.
No bed bugs.
Alright guys, so I'm here at World Slime Convention.
This is literally my 10th Jamba Juice, no joke.
Wait, really?
Yeah, like for real. Like I have so many at my house.
Crazy. Hi! Hi! So we've been doing a game where you pull a lollipop and then you get to pick a prize and you get candy, a free 8-ounce, or something from a supply bin. And we have so many different kinds. Everybody's like addicted to this game. There you go.
Slime City, awesome!
Thank you. She has a ton of knowledge in the slime industry. You've been in this business for a long time.
So I'm gonna count to 3, and on 3, just scream. 1, 2, 3. What you got there?
Jamba Juice.
You like it? Yes. So I never even really showed you guys my booth, but these are my slimes, or at least what's left. Have a giant coffee thing with little fake coffee beans. Jamba Juice, the queen. And then Jamie's over there running the little lollipop game that we showed earlier. Wait, you're wearing my merch! Yo! Guys, this is our new Slime City resident model. What's your name? Lily. She works for us. Does she sell? Wait, what's your slime account?
Slimy Rainbow.
Slimy Rainbow. She's our Slime City resident model. Go follow her. So, Slimy Rainbow. Oh wait. This is her username. She gave me a box of Cinnamon Toast Crunch, and I have nothing to eat. So this is my lunch, breakfast, snack. Here with Becca. Hi, sisters. And I can't stop looking in the viewfinder. Look how like HD it is. Sister queen of signing because she's famous.
Yes. Slimers are now the big dance crazes.
Yes, it is. Alright. Look at Carly, eh. I'm gonna rescue her.
Slime person. Are you filming me right now?
Yes. My thorn.
Oh man, thank you so much.
I'm vlogging this. This is great. This is my first time meeting Courtney. My first slime convention. This is our first ever one. That's crazy. Oh my god, wait, are we vlogging? Vlogception?
Are you vlogging?
Yeah.
You're vlogging, me vlogging.
Oh my god.
And I'm just here.
This is, yeah, you're just there. So guys, I just met Yuki for the first time today, and I literally died. I died. She's like, oh, her. And then this is Liz's booth. Palettes. I don't know why she sells eyeshadow palettes. Guys, it is noon. It's Sunday and it's the day after the event. I got my World Slime shirt. It's really cute. It has like all of our logos and stuff on the back. Have a slime-tastic day. So we didn't really do much last night, so I just took my hair out of, obviously it's insane, my hair is crazy right now. So I just took my hair out of the ponytail. That's what it's like. I don't even know. Jamie's probably gonna do my hair in the car. And then we're gonna go around Nashville and do super like touristy things. And I'm super excited. And I want to get a picture by like the angel wings thing or whatever the thing that's iconic. So now Jamie and I are in, I don't know where, in Nashville. Just for taking Instagram pictures. So cute. So we're gonna get cookies before we get food now because I saw Cookie Place and we're not gonna get cookies. Why? Oh my god, it's so amazing. Alright, so we got cookies. I got peanut butter chocolate chip because I love peanut butter so much I could eat that. I can't stop looking in the viewfinder. I apologize. It's probably annoying. But I love peanut butter so much I could eat it with a freaking paintbrush. But she got chocolate chonk. She likes chonk.
Fatty.
I am a fatty. Okay. Oh my god. That's so good. Oh my god. Okay, well, we're gonna get coffee now because apparently the place across the street is good. White Bison coffee.
Come follow us on our tour.
Oh my god. So we gave up on trying to find the me mural because it was just so complicated and I don't really know my way around here at all because I've never been here. But now we are going to get some hot chicken. I don't even like hot stuff, but I have to try hot freaking chicken. Also, the Hattie B's place was closed. I'm not sure if they're closed on Sundays or what, but they're closed. So we're going to Party Foul, which is kind of like in the city. So me vlogging in public is making Jamie nervous. She hates it. But we're at the chicken place. My camera just died, but I was trying to show you. The Office is playing in here. So I think I'm gonna get this. I want to get the hot chicken poutine or whatever because, yes. But I gotta just try some plain chicken. So I got the Nashville hot chicken. I'm gonna try it. That's really good.
I got a sandwich.
So these are beignets. How do you even say it?
Beignets.
Beignets, coleslaw, and then some hot chicken. So we're now leaving Party Foul. My lips are on fire. Like, they're kind of red and tender. Like, the chicken was really good, but then like it like sets in. I think it's so spicy and I only got the medium. Also, my camera battery died and then I went and plugged it into the wall and then a giant group of people went and sat there and I had to ask them for my camera charger. Process! Okay, so Jamie's actually doing the scooter. I'm a scootable. Also, I didn't know this, but apparently you have to be 18 years or older to ride the scooter. Like, can you imagine being like, oh boy, I can't wait till I turn 18. A karaoke car? Hold on, wait. You're joking. No way. Can you imagine having to, I can't even talk. As I was saying.
Why does it suck?
Does it suck? Oh, she's going. Jamie, come back. Alright, so now Carly's gonna try.
I'm gonna try it.
What if you fall? Harley can't ride a scooter apparently. Wait, can you say what on YouTube? I don't even know what you can say on YouTube. I'll bleep it. I'm gonna bleep it. Ready? Jamie, you're a I hate you, you stupid.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Oh my god.
They're really saying I love you. What a wonderful world.
I am so getting one of these M&M Rice Krispie treats. Alright, this is a M&M covered Rice Krispie treat. I'm gonna try it. This is everything I could ever dream for. Okay, so it is 9:41 p.m. and we're about to start heading back to Texas, and it is 10 hours 55 minutes away. I will update you later. My camera battery is gonna die. Yeah. Either way, I will update you, either if it's on my phone or my camera. Okay guys, I'm freaking out. So we were just driving, starting our way home, and we found the meme mural. Oh my god, it's literally getting taken down tomorrow. We found it this time at night. I can't believe this. I'm freaking out. I'm so excited.
It's what you make it. Always try to give. Don't ever take it. I just wanna be.
We pulled up and there's literally a Webkins thing.
Always try to give. Don't ever take it. Life has its music. Life has its song.
I don't know which one to get. Oh my god, I swear these are dirt cheap. I don't know what. Oh, that dog's cute. These look so dirty and old. I bet you these are from like 2007.
No, why are they called little? Oh yeah, the small ones. Remember how they're minis? Yeah, I had so many.
I think I'm just gonna get the cat. I'm gonna name him Harold. Are you getting that one? What's this one? Is that a whale? Oh my god. Dude. What is this place? Like there's stuff like right here. I like the lizard. I have the frog. I used to have him.
I'm gonna name him Gizzard.
Gizzard the lizard? Gizzard the lizard. Oh my god, I'm naming my cat Harold because I have to. I'm buying this. I'm actually buying this. Yeah, I'm getting this. Guys. I don't know how old this is. But, oh my god. I hate golf. I hate golf. Nice shot. I love golf. Make up your mind. So I bought the Hannah Montana thing and the Webkins. I almost bought that 2004 emergency book, but decided I should probably not get that, waste my money even more. Alright, so now we are back home and we're gonna be dropping off the truck. We drove like 1,500 miles in this truck.
I wanna keep it.
I don't. I have my car back now. So we just have to like drop off. It's like late. It's like what, 1 a.m.? 1:30. 1:30. So we have to just like put the keys in this box thing. Express how nice it is being able to drive my car again. Oh my god! This thing is beautiful. Was it good?
Yeah.
Still recording?